Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can give an administrative role to a user on Discord. Go up here and press server settings. Make sure you do own the server, and then you are going to go to roles, and then on the role that you want to give, click on it, scroll down. Actually, you need to go to permissions. Sorry, forgot about that. Go to permissions and then enable this one. It will give them the permission to disconnect people, add channels, ban people. So make sure you trust this person enough to give them this role. Then you're just going to press save changes. That is basically it. They will now be an administrator on your server. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.